family. How is everyone doing? Long time no video, right? I know. But today, we're going to do a very simple arugula pear salad with a champagne vinaigrette. You guys, it is so delicious, so light, and I think you guys will enjoy it. But guess what? Mrs. O will start doing her videos in her commercial kitchen. All right, hope you guys are having a great weekend, and let's get in this kitchen and let's put this salad together. Let's go. Okay, here are the ingredients that we're going to need. I have baby arugula. I have 1 lemon. I have 2 boiling pears. And this is the champagne vinaigrette I was telling you about that we're going to use instead of making it homemade. I also have walnuts that I'm going to toast up and feta cheese. So let me wash the baby arugula off, start doing the pears, and I'll come back and show you guys. But it's really simple, and you're going to love it with the pears in it. All right, you guys, I washed my arugula. I didn't bring my salad spinner, but I tried one time some arugula and it said double washed. So I said, okay, I'm not gonna wash it. Bad mistake. There was so much grit in it to where it almost made me sick. So I'm gonna try to get as much water as I can out with a paper towel. And also, like if you're going on a picnic or something, these bowls right here, let me show you, are so good to use as takeout. And they have a cover to it, so like let's say you're going to the park or you're going on the beach and you want to take this. Get these little containers with the tops on them. They are so good to have around. But once I dry this out a little more, then we're going to add it to the bowl, add our pears, our feta, and our toasted walnuts, and then we will be done. But I will definitely come back and show you the presentation. And also, for your pears, you want to squeeze a little lemon juice on them so they won't turn. But I'll come back and show you guys that. But I don't have my salad spinner, so I'm trying to dry the arugula with clean paper towels, all right? I'll be back. Okay, I want to show you guys how I'm going to cut the pear. I'm going to cut the skin off because pears bruise so easily. Yesterday when I bought them, they were medium soft, but I want you to see how they bruised just that fast. There was no bruises on them. So for presentation and aesthetics, let's just go ahead and cut the skin off. I don't want nothing brown floating in my salad. But you know something? Let me get the potato peeler and I'll come right back. Okay, this will be easier. So let's just take I hope it's easier for saying that. Oh, well, maybe if I take the guard off, it will cut it. Yeah, use a potato peeler, it's so much easier. We're just gonna go around and get all that ugly brown skin off. I hope this is not blurry, you guys, because this is my first time trying to do a video in this kitchen. But I'm gonna definitely get it right. Okay, let's just go around. How about I do this? There you go. You're always supposed to work smarter in the kitchen and not harder. But you also want your food to taste good too. All right, can you see that? Okay, I'm also baking scones in here too. So I will let you guys see of the scones that I'm also making. I have a peach. I mean, not a peach, I'm sorry. I do peach, but I have a pineapple and an oatmeal raisin scone. And this lady also ordered some plain scones for a tea party. So I'm just gonna go like this. Try to see if I'm positioning it right. Please bear with me, you guys. I promise you the next one will be better. And we're just gonna cut from an angle, leaving the core. Okay, let's do this side. You guys get the idea. They're not quite slivers because I'm cutting it on an angle. And you know, let's just do this one like this. All right. And then I'm going to take it. Then let's cut it in half. You don't want it too long. But you do want them to get some pear in the salad. All right. This one I will just cut like that. All right, you guys get the idea. And then I'm going to take the juice of a lemon and just squeeze it on the pears so they won't turn colors. All right, after the pears, we'll do the feta and add the toasted walnuts, and we will be done. God, that looks blurry. I am so sorry, you guys. Let me see if I can. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Okay, that looks better. All right, sorry. Okay, Royal family, here is the finished product and presentation of the arugula pear salad. And always remember, you guys, whenever you're fixing a dish, make it to where it's evidence of what the ingredients are. Like you see my pears here, you see my toasted walnuts here, you see the feta, and then you can see some of the dressing. You can also dress this as you give it to your guests or to your family, but this is the arugula pear salad, which is so delicious. All right, you guys, thank you for watching, and Mrs. O is back. I will be uploading some very good videos because it's summertime on June the 20th, so we got to do some summer videos. God bless you. Please stay connected, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.